This is a non-story narrative about breakout trading with market volume. A breakout is a price move that pushes beyond a clearly defined support or resistance level. Traders watch these levels because they often mark the old boundary of balance between buyers and sellers. When price finally breaks through, it can signal the start of a stronger directional move. Market volume adds important context to that move. Volume measures how much trading activity is taking place during a given period. A breakout with rising volume is generally considered more credible because it suggests broad participation and stronger conviction. A breakout on weak volume can be less reliable, since the move may be driven by only a small group of traders and may fail quickly. In practice, traders often look for several signs together. First, price must approach a well-observed level after a period of consolidation. Second, the candle or bar should close beyond that level rather than merely touch it. Third, volume should expand at the moment of breakout, showing that the market is actively accepting the new price range. If all three elements align, the breakout is more likely to continue. Volume is also useful after the breakout. If price breaks upward and volume remains strong, the market may be confirming the move. If price breaks out but volume fades immediately, the trader may be facing a false breakout. In that case, price may return back inside the old range and trap late entries. Risk management remains essential. Traders commonly set stop losses near the broken level so that if the breakout fails, losses are limited. Some also wait for a retest where price returns to the breakout point and holds it as new support or resistance. This approach can reduce the chance of entering during a momentary spike. Breakout trading with market volume is not about predicting every move. It is about reading the balance between price structure and activity. Price shows where the market is moving, while volume helps reveal how many participants agree with that move. When both point in the same direction, the breakout carries more meaning and a stronger chance of follow-through.